I'm Jo Fearman. I work at NRM North and I manage the Tamar, Estuary and Esk Rivers program. So the TEER program participates in a range of activities, including monitoring and reporting on waterway health, working towards improving stormwater quality and management. A big piece of work was our water quality improvement plan, but also our building community knowledge and our community engagement. So the water quality improvement plan is a significant piece of work for the TEER program. It took quite a long period of time to develop because of a lot of stakeholder engagement and very consultative process. So it identifies the sources and the loads of pollutants within the TEER catchment and achievable changes to our practices that will reduce those loads and improve water quality. Some of the other activities that the TEER program participates in are monitoring and reporting on waterway health. So each month we undertake water quality monitoring in the Tamar Estuary. At 16 different sites we collect water samples and we test them for their chemical properties. We compare the results of that testing to guideline values and what we would expect to be good water quality. We take 12 months worth of data and we turn that into a report card grade, and we're then able to track changes in water quality because we've prepared 6 report cards over time. We're about to release our 7th report card this year, and so that shows how water quality changes over that time. Some of the other monitoring that we do is in Lake Trevellyn. So over the summer months we take water samples and we do algal counts and look at the amount of blue-green algae that's present in the water in Lake Trevellyn, and we share that information with our partner organisations so that they can understand when there's a risk of an algal bloom in Lake Trevellyn and they can take action. We have a Northern Tasmania Stormwater Program and that brings together representatives from councils. We facilitate education and training on soil and erosion control so that council officers and industry understand best practice management of erosion on building sites. One of the things we hear regularly is that no one's working together, but actually the history of the TEER program shows that it's a great example of a program that brings all the partners together and is effective in achieving outcomes to improve water quality. So we host different community forums. Last year we hosted the Tamar Forum, which brought together management agencies in a conference style event to talk about the different work of our partner organisations. This year, later this year, we'll be hosting the Tamar Discovery, which is a family activity day, and it's an opportunity for parents and children to come along, or generally community members to come along and learn more about the Tamar and the Esk Rivers and understand how the system works and some of the natural values of the TEER system and some of the work of our partner organisations.